Hi guys, how are you? In this video, I will share with you how you can convert this icon to this icon in After Effects. Hi guys, so let's start making this. I'll make a new composition. First, you can get any icons or any graphic you want from any website, but for me, I'm using flat icon. You can get just, there is a bunch of icons here for anything you think about it. Maybe we can get this icon. Drag it to After Effects, small it down like this, and let's make the shape. We can make a rectangle, any shape, and this. After that, we will change the rectangle path and go to roundness and increase to have this nice look for corners. Then we will make some effects. Let's scale it down a little bit. Go to effects and the presets, drag this gradient ramp, change these anchor points place, and let's make the color on the top any bright color, maybe this, and this second color, which is the end color, let's make it darker. We can copy the same color and then go down like this. So when we add all other effects we will add, it will start appearing on this background. First, we will select this shape, go to effects, and add the light sweep, and make these adjustments 170, and the sweep intensity will be like 0. Don't need this intensity right now, and leave this 50 and make this like 40. Let's decrease it a little bit more. After that, we will add the second effect, which is bevel alpha. It's bevel alpha here. Add it into the shape to add more, make it more sharper. So this is before and after. There is not a lot of difference, but it works. Add a glow effect. So it will be like this, and we'll copy the glow and add it to the icon. So the background is the same color like the icon. So I suggest having another icon. So you just have to make like difference on the colors, maybe something like that. And there is a prototype here, which is just drag this icon into the project panel. Because we have effects into this layer, we just have to, hold Alt from the keyboard and drag this icon here, and it will be replaced and have with the same effects. So this is our effect. Just need to make like this, so it fits well, and that's it. So there is another step here, which is, I think, maybe editing in the video. So you just have to make more than one icon. So in order to make more icons for the same style, without remaking every effect we've made, the way to make that is just, making a recomposition for this, these layers, which is, you can make it by holding Control-Shift-C, and then click OK. You can name it icon 1 maybe, and then you can duplicate this layer. But there is something I want to mention. After duplicating this layer, you get inside the second one, and you use different icon. Let's use this one here. Drag this Alt and drag it into this layer. It will be replaced. But the problem here, both recompositions have affected with this change. So in order to fix that, we just make Control-Z, get back to the same situation like we was. We have to hit reveal and reveal layer source in project, and duplicating this layer into the project. So we have different name here like this, and after that, holding Alt, select the layer, holding Alt, and drop it here. It will be replaced. Then when we change anything inside this layer, hold Alt and drop it to this layer. So let's see the main composition. Now everything's okay now. That's because we just doubled the main source. We doubled the main thing, which is the composition, into the project value. And this is how you can make this. And after that, you can just apply any effect, like this bounce effect. And you can just make it inside this layer. So you add the two effects for both the icon and the shape, and just, you know, make the shape, make the icon, you know, appear a little bit later like this, so it will look better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, questions about video editing, and if you need any help regarding the videos, need any videos to get edited, you can visit my website, see my work, and reach out to me. Let's make something amazing.